These days, machine learning has gained popularity and one of the most sought after field. And also, if you're considering to step in the world of machine learning, then you should be aware of this prerequisite to get started. The very first one is the programming language. You must know Python or R programming language. Python is in more demand, so first start your machine learning journey with Python programming language, and later you can start with R as well. And the next one is hands-on experiences, working on more and more examples and more practical knowledge. The next one is understanding the basic of machine learning algorithms, and then after linear algebra and the calculus. After that, probability and statistics are also very important after when you are going to deeper and deeper of the machine learning concept. So if you are good with all these concepts, then you will have a strong base to learn the advanced concept, and also eventually that will lead you toward your career goal. So that's all for today. Let's meet in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching.